Dreaming of a wedding in Tahiti's paradise? First, let's navigate the legalities. Essential documents include valid passports, birth certificates, a certificate of no impediment, and proof of residency. Remember, all documents must be translated into French and authenticated. A civil ceremony is mandatory before any religious rites, and one party must reside in the municipality for at least 30 days prior. Same-sex marriages are welcome since 2013. Consult a certified Tahiti specialist to ensure your union is recognized both in Tahiti and your home country, Tahiti, Bora Bora, or Moorea. Each island offers a unique romantic setting. Tahiti buzzes with cultural activities. Bora Bora boasts luxury and iconic overwater bungalows, while Moorea charms with its tranquility. Accommodations range from luxury resorts to intimate guest houses. Your choice sets the stage for your love story, whether it's the vibrant energy of Tahiti, the exclusive luxury of Bora Bora, or the natural beauty of Moorea. A certified Tahiti specialist can turn your wedding dreams into reality. They'll tailor your package to your style and budget, handling the complexities of destination wedding planning. Personalize your day with venue selection, culinary delights, and entertainment. Embrace sustainability with eco-friendly options like digital invites and local organic food. Your wedding in Tahiti can be as unique as your love story, with a commitment to the environment. Timing is everything. The best months for a Tahitian wedding are May through October, offering cooler, drier weather. Ensure your passport is valid for 6 months beyond your entry date. For U.S. citizens, no visa is required for stays under 90 days. Health and safety are paramount, so check travel advisories and health requirements before departure. With these essentials in check, your Tahitian wedding will be a seamless blend of romance and adventure. Book with a Tahiti specialist at Far and Away Adventures.